Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Pora 70 Ultra and let me share with you how to turn off dial pad tones on this device. So if you're not the biggest fan of those sounds, you can of course completely turn them off without the need to turn off the sounds in your whole device. All you have to do is to enter the settings. Here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration, and then scroll down to the very bottom. Now let's tap on more settings. And as you can see right here, we've got on the second position, we've got keypad tones. Let's tap on it. In my case, it is set melody. Of course, probably you've got the default one. However, all we have to do is to tap on none. After choosing this option, we can check, of course, the dialer, whether it makes any kind of sound, and it does not. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.